ಸರ್, ವಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾವನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಒಂದೇ ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಫೋನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇಬಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತಂಡ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಲವ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕಥೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಸತ್ಯ. ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ
బేబీ సినిమా చూసావా? మొదటి ప్రేమకు మరణం లేదు, అది మనసు పొరల్లో శాశ్వతంగా సమాధి చేయబడుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ లవ్ గురించి చాలా బాగా రాసుకున్నాడు కదా, రాయలేదా? ఫస్ట్ లవ్ అదొకసారి ఫెయిల్ అయితే నరకం. మొదటి ప్రేమలో ఒక ప్యూరిటీ ఉంటుంది, నిజాయితీ ఉంటుంది. ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చే ప్రేమలన్నీ
మొదటి ప్రేమ ఒక్కటే నిజమైతే అందరి కథలు తల్లి ప్రేమ దగ్గర అయిపోవాలి కదండి. అమ్మే కదండి మనందరి ఫస్ట్ లవ్. చరిత్రలో ఎన్నో గొప్ప ప్రేమ కథలు ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇవి మొదటి ప్రేమలు అయితే కాదు కదా. ఫస్ట్ లవ్ ఫెయిల్ అయిందంటే బెస్ట్ లవ్ ఎక్కడో మొదలవుతుందని. ఒకే చోట కదలకుండా కూర్చుంటే కాసేపు తర్వాత కాలు కూడా తిమిరెక్కుద్ది. మనసు కూడా అంతేనండి. ఒక్కసారి కదిపి చూడండి, మెల్లగా అడుగులేస్తూ అదే పరిగెడుతుంది. అంతేగాని వాడెవడో తొలి ప్రేమ, నా సమాధి, బొచ్చు, భోషణం అంటే దాన్ని పట్టుకొని కూర్చుంటారేంటండి? అలా అయితే నేను చాలా చెప్తా.
ఏమని?
తొలి ప్రేమ అంత తోపేం కాదని.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ತೆಲುಗುಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ಲಿಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಏನಿರಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ 3 ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಜನರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೀಗ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಸಮಯ. ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ఎటుపోతున్నా గానీ నీకి కజతపడనా? హొయిలా 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 హొయ్ హొయ్ హొయిలా.
ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಸಮಯ. ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ.
2 ಕೋಟಿ
அண்ணா ஒரு ஃபுல் பாட்டில் விஸ்கி கொடுங்க.
இங்க பாருடா பொம்பளை புள்ள சரக்கு அவங்க வந்துருக்கு.
வந்த உனக்கு என்ன?
అన్నా ఇదో ఫిష్ ఇవ్వా?
అన్నా అదొక్కటే బతకడం కష్టం అన్నా.
నేను ఒక్కనే అన్నా, బతుకుతాలేను.
అసలు నా గురించి నీ ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటి?
స్టీవెన్ గారి దృష్టిలో మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఇది జీవితంలో ఎలాంటి అవసరం వచ్చినా దీన్ని ఎప్పుడు వదులుకోలేదు. ఇది మీకు ఇస్తున్నానంటే ఆలోచించండి, మీరు నాకు ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ క్షణం అనిపించిందండి, మనమే చిరంజీవి కదా అని. ఈ రోజు నుంచి మీరు నా దేవత, నేను మీ బానిస.
నా మనసులో స్టీవెన్ తప్ప ఇంకెవరూ లేరు.
నాకెందుకు అబద్ధం చెప్పారు? మీ బ్రాడ్ మైండ్ సెట్ ముద్దు దగ్గర ఆగిందా, లేక ఇంకేమైనా చేశారా? నా కళ్ళలోకి చూసి చెప్పండి.
నేను వాడితో పెళ్ళి మాత్రమే కాదు, నా లైఫ్ మొత్తాన్ని ఊహించేసుకున్నాను.
ప్రతి ప్రేమ కథ ఒకేలా ఉంటే చరిత్ర కూడా నచ్చదండి.
నమ్మని వాడికి ఈ కథ ఒక అబద్ధం, నమ్మగలిగితే అదే అద్భుతం.
అది ఊహించుకుంటుంటుంది, తల పట్టేసినట్టుంది స్టీవెన్. కనపడకుండా నా గొంతులు ఎవరో బలంగా నొక్కుతున్నట్టుంది.
అదెవరో కాదండి, నేనే.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಕಿರಣ್ ಅಬ್ಬಾವರಂ ಸರ್, ಅ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಜರ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 100% ಇದು ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಪಿಕ್ ಲವ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 24ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನಾವು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವೀಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಟಫ್ ಇದೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸು, ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸರ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಲಾಗೆ చేద్దారి, ఇలాగే హిట్ కొడుతూనే ఉందారు. వెల్కమ్ టు బెంగళూరు మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Also, ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ. That's the only Kannada I know. I love CTR మసాలా దోశ by the way. బెంగళూరు కానీ కర్ణాటక కానీ నేను ఇక్కడికి వస్తూ ఉంటా. ఇక్కడున్న గుడ్లకు కానీ నా సినిమా షూటింగ్లకి ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడికి వస్తూ ఉంటాను. సో వెరీ వెరీ స్పెషల్ సిటీ. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ టైం నా సినిమా ప్రమోషన్కి బెంగళూరుకి రావడం నిజంగా చాలా చాలా బాగుంది. నాకు షూటింగ్కి రావడమే కానీ ప్రమోషన్కి రాలేదు. సో మీ అందరినీ కలుసుకోవడం, వచ్చిన ప్రెస్ అండ్ మీడియా అందరికీ, ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సెస్కి, ఎవ్రీబడి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ హియర్. చెన్నై లవ్ స్టోరీ మీరు చూస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. చాలా చాలా స్పెషల్ ఫిలిం మాకిది. సో మేము తెలుగు వాళ్ళు అయ్యుండి చెన్నై లవ్ స్టోరీ అని ఒక టైటిల్ పెట్టి బెంగళూరుకి ప్రమోషన్ రావడం నిజంగా చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ షోస్ ద యూనిటీ ఆఫ్ సినిమా. అంటే మనము భాషలను దాటి, ప్లేసులను దాటి, వీఆర్ ఆల్ యునైటెడ్ బై సినిమా ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ బిలీవ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ అస్ హియర్. ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టే చెన్నై లవ్ స్టోరీ ఇస్ అ వెరీ స్పెషల్ ఫిలిం. స్టీవెన్ అండ్ నివి, ఈ 2 క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరైతే ఇప్పట్లో మర్చిపోరు. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరందరూ సినిమా చూడండి, మీ అందరికి నచ్చుతుంది. అండ్ నివి మీ ఇంట్లో అమ్మాయిలాగా మీ అందరినీ ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తుంది. షీఈ్ అ వెరీ సింపుల్ క్యారెక్టర్, గర్ల్ నెక్స్ట్ డోర్. మన ఇంట్లో ఉండే అమ్మాయికి ఒక చిన్న ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి తన లవ్ లైఫ్లో ఏం జరుగుతుంది అని ఒక క్యూరియాసిటీతో తన ఇంట్లో తన ఫ్రెండ్స్తో సడన్గా ఒక అవుట్ సైడ్ క్యారెక్టర్ మా ఇంట్లోకి వచ్చి వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ అనేది ఇస్ ద స్టోరీ. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ సెటప్, మీ అందరికీ ఖచ్చితంగా నచ్చుతుంది. చెన్నై లవ్ స్టోరీ రిలీజింగ్ ఆన్ July 24th. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు అందరు సినిమా చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Sorry, sir.
What is so special about this film is?
డెఫినెట్లీ సార్ ఐ వాజ్ జస్ట్ సేయింగ్ ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో ఒక అమ్మాయికి ఇంగ్లీష్ సారీ సో ఇన్ రీసెంట్ టైమ్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ సీన్ అ ఉమెన్ గెటింగ్ అ బిగ్ character like this. So when we talk about a love story, it talks about two people in love. Usually we've been seeing a stereotypical setup where, you know, we show the love story also in the guy's perspective, but here it is equal. Like we also show it in the girl's perspective and in the guy's perspective, which was really moving for me. And it is a very honest and genuine attempt about a beautiful love story, which has a lot of twists and turns. I can definitely tell you the trailer won't do justice to our film because we have hidden a lot of twists and turns and suspenses in the film. So all that can be only seen in the film. And yeah, that's about it. Modern Love Chennai anthology. Yes. No sir, but the only connection is the word Chennai because wherever I go I attract Chennai into my life. So Modern Love Chennai is just a title, but Chennai Love Story and Modern Love Chennai are totally different subjects. Yes. Tumba emotion. Tumba emotion, like I can tell you. No, very emotional character, very physically and mentally draining and challenging character because I hope you would have seen in the trailer, there are a lot of different shades and you have seen 3 songs. I am not the same in any song. One song I'm very happy, one song I'm fully in love, one song I'm feeling sad. So there is a full arc to the character and there's so many variations in the emotions that I portray. I can confidently say this is the best character that I've portrayed until now. In this film I did not sing, but I am a singer. Maybe future we'll see. Yeah.
Can you sing 2 lines from this?
గురుతుందా గురుతుందా నువ్వు తడిసిన తొలి వర్షం అది వెలిసిన తరువాత ఆగిందా ఆకాశం జల్లులో హాయిని చూడాలంతే వెలుగులో అందం చూడాలంతే అది తొలిదా మలిదా నీకెందుకే తొలి ప్రేమేం తోపు కాదే అమ్మడు నీ లైఫ్ని ఆపలేదే ఎన్నడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ధన్యవాదಗಳು.
He's telling.
Thank you so
telling your voice could have been.
Kumar Anna, it's always special to, you know, every film K-Ramp and I'm sure this is going to be hat-trick collaboration winners Anna and a long way to go, and thank you so much for always giving, you know, more screens to me and supporting me here, and thanks to my producers Mass Movie Makers Amruta Productions and then my director. You know, they supported us and they wanted us to promote the film in Bangalore, Karnataka, and I'm so happy being here. Bangalore is very special city to me. Technically, this is the first city where I came. My hometown is 100 kilometers away from here, 3 hours journey from here. Raichoti, yeah. Yeah, so after I completed my graduation BTech, I came here for job. I stayed in Silk Board, BTM layout and Bellamdur and HSR layout and Maratalli. I can say, 3 years I stayed here. My first job, I selected here and I worked 1 year in Chennai and I came back to Bangalore. I worked here for 3 years. I can say, that 3 years is very special for me. The city gave me so many memories to grow in my life. So I worked here. While working, I wanted to achieve something in life. This city gave me so much of confidence. I used to roam everywhere across the city, and I used to watch Kannada films. I used to interact with the Kannada cinema people who is working in cinema. At that time, when I'm working, Rakshit Shetty and those people, just entered from software to cinema. So I used to look after him, how he entered to cinema, and even I wanted to go to cinema. And then, I'm working at that time in Bellamdur. it took me 1 year time to give up my job and to enter into the films. That 1 year is very special for me. Every day from Martali to Bellamdur, while traveling in the cab, I used to think 100 times whether to leave job or not, whether to leave job or not. Finally, I left my job and entered into the films. And with so much of love, people accepted me. And within 5 years, I'm so happy. I did 12 films and I want to thank people here. I came. So while traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore, my initial thought was I knew that people love me here, so I expected full theater. So while coming here, I knew that okay, 800 capacity theater, it will be filled, so I can watch. I can't even say how much love no you people gave me. There are more than 3,000, 4,000 people at the theater. Theater owner is saying me that please go away, sir. Please don't come inside. Please go away. I'm so happy at that time, and literally we went to Sandhya Theatre. So why I'm saying is this, this city is very special. I left my job with a lot of hopes here, and I went to cinema. So thanks everyone, and thanks to Bangalore, because it's my first job and my first city is Bangalore. To us, trust me, just 2 days to go, you will love this film. Very, very intense film. Something very special to us. The people who love me, I'm sure they love this film more because there are many special elements in this movie. I can tell you one thing, guarantee that this kind of story we have never seen before. This love story is something special. So please go and experience it. I think premieres there in Bangalore. 23rd only premieres are there, and 24th early morning Sandhya Theatre is there, and Vinayaka Theatre also is there, right? Yeah, Vinayaka Theatre is also there. Yeah. So please go and watch it, and I'll be waiting for your response from Bangalore. Because my every film, Bangalore, Friday night shows, Saturday, Sunday, my friends used to send screenshots, "Re houseful ra, houseful ra, houseful ra, houseful ra." I'm so happy, and yeah, thanks to everyone. Please, if you have any questions, you can ask. Thank you.
So proud of your journey.
Thank you. Love you too. Love you too. Love you too.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ
No, sir, it's not about the real incident, sir. The story is something, we can say it's a fictional story. But what if for me, it's very challenging, sir, because my previous films, it's like, commercial films. I used to be in that, mass satire and entertainment and everything. This film is very innocent, settled character. For me, it is challenging. But yeah, I played my best. You have to see and tell me how I played. Sir, yeah, I think, of course, Rakshit Anna, Yash Anna and everyone, when I was in Bangalore, I used to ask the people, how Kannada film industry works here, because I used to watch Kannada films. Then people used to tell stories about them. They also did some software jobs, and Yash Anna did serials, and then he entered into the films. Those people are like, it's kind of an inspiration. So without background, they went and they succeeded. At that time, even my mindset, I want to succeed in something in life. So people give hope, right? If previous senior people, they used to go and succeed, and we also get some hope that we also go and we can succeed. Sir, Kannada. Recently, Kannada cinema. So for me, Kannada is always like a favorite film is KGF, sir. KGF series. I love KGF, and KGF 2 is like, Prashant Neel sir, I used to talk, I told him and I met him, and that is my favorite film in Kannada. And this film is like, I want to tell you, I think this film will give you feeling of Ungaramalai. Ungaramalai, such kind of a feeling. I know Mungaramalai, that film is big hit here in Kannada. It is also remake in Telugu as Vana, and I'm sure Chennai Love Story will give you that kind of a vibe. That very emotionally high film. Sir? Sir, my first work in Kannada. You are asking me why I didn't learn Kannada. No, sir, I knew before, while I'm working here, all people surrounded by the Telugu people. But I can understand Kannada, but I can't speak fluent Kannada. But next time when I come here, I'll speak Kannada, proper Kannada, sir. The characters, they both work in Chennai, sir. Originally the characters Nivi and Steven from Telugu only, they used to work in Chennai. the love story happens in Chennai, so makers kept that, you know, Chennai love story. Love, sir, love. I think he has with it. Is it tragedy? It depends, sir. Depends, you know, both films depends.
ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೋ ಸಾರಿ. ಯಾ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದೆಯಾ ಅದರ? ಹಾಂ, ಹೀರೋಯಿನ್ಗ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
It's a lot. Definitely, sir. Discussion innೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ I would love to work in Kannada as well because I'm a Telugu speaking girl. I started working in Tamil and I learned Tamil. Now I have to learn Kannada. I should start learning Kannada immediately. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೆನಿಲಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ, ಹೀರೋ ಸರ್.
Sir. So my next film I'm planning to release it, sir. I'm working on film. I think that film will release in all the 5 languages across India. This film, I'm not sure, sir. The makers have decided, you know, my next film I'm working towards that, sir. I'll release in 5 languages across India, sir. In this film, there is one dialogue, ma'am. I'll tell you in Telugu because I don't know how to translate in English. ఒకే చోట కూర్చుంటే కాసేపు తర్వాత కాలు కూడా తిమిరెక్కుద్ది, మనసు కూడా అంతే. ఒక్కసారి కదిపి చూడండి, మెల్లగా అడుగులేస్తూ దాని అంతటికి అదే పరిగెడుతుంది. అండ్ బీ హ్యాపీ, దట్స్ ఇట్. This Gen Z is, I think they went too forward, ma'am. I don't know that benching. They're telling, like, you know, software codes kind of a thing. They're telling benching something, relationships are like it's like a coding. I don't know that thing. Sir, when I went there, I knew that it's not easy thing to become a hero. And I knew that, you know, there will be a lot of highs and lows and fights and difficulty. But I faced it with a lot of courage, sir. My 2 films are, you know, blockbusters. My first 2 films are blockbusters. After that, I have seen highs and lows in my career. I learned few things. I learned my mistakes. And, you know, I came back strongly with my film Ka. That is a huge blockbuster, and K-Ramp is blockbuster, and then again now Chennai Love Story. And I think in this 5 years journey, the journey taught me everything. But I always being strong. It is pure love story, sir. I think most of the story will be between Nivi and Steven. I don't think so, sir. This is something very critical love story. It's not from the personal experiences. I think it is from, you know, imaginations. I think it is something kind of a fantasy. Yes, my next film is like I'm directing one film, sir. My next immediate film is I'm directing film. And then after one film with Sukumar sir, I'm working with Sukumar sir. And then another film, my another film is like, you know, pan-India film. I'm doing in all the languages. After that film, sir. No, I'm doing in Sukumar sir production. Sukumar writings, yeah. No, after that film. Yeah, that also pan-India. So we are planning Sukumar sir film as a pan-India film. And after that, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. And thank you everyone being here. And the July 24th, Rajbi Setisa film is releasing. All the best to him. And again, Jananayagan, Vijay sir, all the best. And I hope you people also watch my film Chennai Love Story on July 24th. And expecting lot of love from you all. Thank you.
Are you afraid of Jananayagan?
No, sir, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid, to be very honest. Because I always knew that, you know, there will be scope for 2-3 films every time. And I think he has lot of craze, and Vijay sir film. Jananayagan. There will be a lot of hype and everything, but I'm sure people will watch my film also, Chennai Love Story, because I'm very confident in the film. Our words are toxic, and yeah, I'm looking for any Telugu people, every Telugu guy, you know, they're looking forward for Toxic, because SR has very good market in Telugu with KGF 1 and KGF 2. It's a very big hit films there. We all commercial lovers, we loved that film to the core, and everyone is looking forward to Toxic.
Thank you so much. Yes, finally.
And thank you, sir, for bringing your film to Karnataka. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.